Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza.co.uk. Thank you for joining me today. So I recently took part in a blog hop and the theme was Christmas music, Christmas songs, Christmas carols. Last year I did the same blog hop and I chose Silent Night, one of my favourite hymns. This year I'm choosing White Christmas. Not a hymn, but a very important Christmas song. It was one of my mum's favourite songs. She was a big Bing Crosby fan, and used to love the film White Christmas. So I've turned it into a pink Christmas. I've done a one sheet wonder with this beautiful pink snowflake paper from the Whimsey and something paper. I'm rubbish, aren't I? Whimsey and Wonder paper, which I think is sold out now, but you probably have got it then if it's sold out. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I made these 6 stunning cards very quickly. Just what you need this time of year. Some beautiful cards that don't take very long. So I'm using this very beautiful snowflake sheet to represent White Christmas, even though it's pink White Christmas. And I'm going to cut 4 card mats out of this. So I am going to cut down here at 3 7/8. And I'm just going to mat this directly onto I can make 6 cards. You know, my maths are just gone out the window. I've prepped for 4, but I can make 6. Even better. So there we go. Very simple. And then this way at 5 5/8, and that gives me a card mat for a card. Doesn't get much easier than that. So I'll get the rest of them cut out, and I'll need to get myself 2 more card blanks. Or I could do 2 cards on the other side actually. Could make some nice happy birthday cards on the other side. Might do that. And then we've got these little strips and a long strip, which I can do something with a scrap busting project with those. So I'll put those back in the packet with the others. We're not using them today. So I'm going to make 4 Christmas cards, and I think I'm going to make these into birthday cards. So I'm going to move those to one side. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4 little mats here. I am going to stamp Merry Christmas from Poinsettia Petals, and I am going to cut it out with this frame here. So I'm going to do some heat embossing as well, because this is nice sort of shimmery paper. So we're going to stamp in Blushing Bride to match the paper. Got it ready mounted. So I want to heat emboss. So the quickest, easiest way to do that is stamp your stamp in Versamark, then in the colour, and then I'm just going to get my stamp mat on your bit of card. And then we can use our clear embossing powder, and that is a quick and easy way of heat embossing our ordinary inks. And that will, if I just do the one for you, then you can see. I'll just put these up out the way for now. So get my heat tool. And that is how you can heat emboss in a colour. And then we take our frame and we die cut that out. So I'm going to get all the others done and get them all die cut ready for the cards. So that's all of those die cut out already. I've got my 4 mats, I've got my 4 bases, and then the other thing I did was I cut 4 snowflakes, and I took this snowflake from the gingerbread dies. I thought it was cute. We have other die sets that have snowflakes in, but I quite liked that. And then I wanted to, I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle. So this snowflake, don't know if that is showing up. It's got a bit of sparkle, and so has the edge here, got a bit of sparkle. And I did that with a bit of Wink of Stella. So I'm going to get a bit of scrap here. I just went over the snowflake. Get that with the Wink of Stella to give it. This is one that I've refilled, because when your Wink of Stella comes to an end, there's still lots and lots of glitter in the bottom. I use alcohol in mine. I'm sure it will work with water. I just did mine with alcohol because I bought a great big litre bottle and I got loads of it left over. So that's what I did with that. And then I just painted it on the edge here to add a little bit of sparkle on these edges, which I thought was quite a nice little touch. So I'm gonna do the others and then we'll put it together. So they're all done, and now we are ready to assemble. So I'm going to stick that in the middle and that up there and that on there. And I think that'll look quite cute, and I think I might put a gem or 2 on there, but we'll get this glued in place first. So I'm gonna put glue on the back here. You can see where I stamped on the back there, but you can just turn the card over. It's not the end of the world. Keep that straight on there. I'm aiming that for middle, and then that will go over there. So a bit of, I do like the shape of this snowflake. I say we do have other snowflakes, so any snowflake that you've got. We've even got a snowflakes embellishment, wonderful snowflakes, and I did think about using those, but I thought they were a little bit too big for this particular card. So that's going on the corner there, and then we can stick this on our card base, and then I'm going to get some gems, I think, just to give it a little finishing touch. And I'm thinking I might do a little stamp on the inside as well. So I'm just going to stick that down on top to hold it all into place whilst I find my gems. So I've got our pastel pearls, and I think that will look lovely as a little finishing touch on here. I'll just put one in the middle to finish it off there, and then the other little finishing touch that I'd like to do is to do a little bit of snowflake stamping on the inside. So I've got out Snowflake Wishes, and I'm going to use the little flurry. So I'm just going to stamp some snowflakes on the inside of the card, and that is my Christmas card. So I'm going to do all the others, and I think they'll be lovely. So that's them all finished, and then I remembered one last finishing touch was to take the Winker Stella and just do a few splodges over it to add a little bit of extra sparkle. So there they all are. I decided to go for all 6 in the end. I did prep some card bases to do 2 in the stripy side, and just decided these were far too pretty. So yeah, needed a few more Christmas cards. So there they are. Not a pink lover, but I love these. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to posting them off, and I think they're lovely. So hope you like that. I hope you realise how sort of quick and easy it is to make stunning cards when you've got stunning, beautiful DSP to work with. So yeah, all the details will be down below, links to my shop. I said I'm not sure if this paper is still available. These snowflake dies, they're reduced right now. Can't remember how much they are, but they are reduced. I think they're about, don't know, I'm not even going to hazard a guess at how much reduced they are. Yeah, how lovely are they? So I will see you all again soon.